Pimples, eh?
That's puberty.
Sorry, we got the real close in, eh?
Oh, too fast. Gotta go slower. Why'd you get pink? They're on special. 2 for 1. Spend and save. Sorry, my wig's coming off. Hey, let's go.
Suspects are driving Toyota Hilux blue. Oh, sorry, I've got the line.
We're not in New Zealand. But a massive shout out to all of our fans in the... What's another word for... So instead of going New Zealand, our friends from the land of... What else do they call it? Aotearoa. I don't know how to say that.
Can this thing go any faster?
Nah.
How's the legs?
Burning.
I probably should have went at the front, shouldn't I?
Yeah, you want to go?
No, you're right.
Let's push them back around.
Redline squad, and it does you.
Not on my watch. Fuck him, Denya! You, Denya!
Supercheap Auto and the best performing oils, making it super since forever.
Oh, your nose coming off again. There's another gold Logie.